Merry Christmas, you two. Not again. This is Sugar's usual mess. She's fussy. I gotta tell my sister it's time to clean the cage. Here you go. Oh, is that you saying? Oh, is that you Merry Christmas? Yeah. Okay, I get it. You want to open the stockings? Come with me. Don't you want to open the stockings? Mary, that was a little rude. Fine, you can observe up there. Yeah, as usual. I ain't opening it without these two. I'm not bringing Sugar out, because... hold on. Sorry. I'm not bringing Sugar out, because, well... Rona, she, piddles too much. You never know when. Mike! Can't you just give him a little Christmas in manners? Not much. That one's for Mike. What's going on his nest? What do you make of a keychain souvenir I got from like Six Flags? Scaredy bird. Oh, he approves. Oh, he's gonna be pissy. Where are you going? Really? Yeah, my bro's got him alright. Rena, quit chasing him. Marina, you know you're not allowed in the laundry room. We are not done. Sorry for this being long. And sorry for me talking. Well, I said to make these things positive. Alright, this one is from Mint. Willing to please. Gets along with the family pets. Wonderful music. Cute. Content. Friendly to humans. Gets along with the whole family. Here's Marina's. Like, beautiful feathers, likes mint. Loves to have her feathers in style. Fluffy and likes to stay in her cage. What's this one? Here's Mike. Hey. This one's yours. Not yet. Here's yours, Michael. Very friendly. Mascot of Birds and Trains. My YouTube channel, which all of you guys know. Loves rice and melons and likes humans. Oh, you like humans a lot. And very destructive, mischief, stubborn, trying to chew up the camera, and trying to steal the show. Not much, but he'll do. Merry Christmas.